Hey, I just got off a call with, I won't say her name, but she is a very well-known leader. At one time, the #1 best-selling nonfiction woman author of all time. Like, amazing. I had been able to work with her some time ago in speaking. And she was about to do a whole media tour and just all sorts of things, had a breakthrough. And now she's going to do something where she's going to bring me to her people. And there's even something afoot that I'm not at privy to say, but it was just phenomenal. And it made me think, I've got to let you know, I want you to have an experience of what this work is, even if you're already a master. And to know what's here for you, but have an experience first. And it's free, and it's real, and it's transformation. And that's this Tuesday at 10 a.m. Pacific, which is 1 Eastern. It's 2-hour deep dive. In the first hour, it's very interactive on Zoom windows and giving you very simple principles and then a very simple framework that you can apply in your own context because everybody's different. And then we put it on its feet with hot seats and you see it in action. Because everyone's different, you see how it works like crazy. And these subtle little differences make the hugest difference in then the impact and how you show up. And that matters when you're a master looking for that next edge, or when you're just stepping out. To have something like this that then catapults the power of how you speak or eliminates whatever stuff might have been in your way or you're still carrying as you go to speak, but it goes beyond just speaking. Because what I've dialed in, and this is what I have and I'm making available, and I want you to be aware of it just so you know, because very soon this is maybe doubling in price, if not at least 50 to 75% more. But right now it's where it is. And so that you're aware, and then at least get an experience for free, not sales. It's about experience the transformation. And then if you realize, oh my God, I want to be part of this, then you can reach out and figure it out. Or you realize this is something I want to have in my life. I need in my life. How perfect. So just so that you have that awareness, the one day that unleashes the full power of how you speak, an inside-out approach to speaking. It's not about templates, checklists, move your hand here or there. And it is process-based, experience-based, and then it honors what's true to you, finding your own unique way that is your optimized, unleashed way that you speak that wows, that moves people to action, to where you are free, you are in your power. It's basically like transformation through speaking. It's that powerful. And that's in one day. And then now as you're unleashed, it also unleashes those subconscious blocks that hold us back, that we feel heavy, we don't realize are stopping us from going for what we need. And right now in this world with AI and all that's going on, the #1 thing that's going to stand out is you. And anybody can now look like a superstar if they know how to work the AI or the marketing, but nobody can be able to replicate or duplicate you and the unique way that you show up. And that includes the unique story, if you will, the unique combination of all things you that then apply to what you're putting out there in the world as an expert, as a speaker. And so when we unleash in that one day, then we have a year-long community and coaching and program and mastermind. It meets twice a month, and then bonus sessions, very interactive, holding space, high-level community that you get to put it into action. And it's all levels of context. And it's just so beautiful how this works. And so whether you're wanting to use paid speaking as a vehicle to scale more business and dial that in, this is the container for you. If you're wanting to emerge as an expert and find what your lane is and get that sorted out, and then how you put yourself out there, especially in the time we're in right now where everything's changing, this is for you. And so this is unbelievable because I was yelled at by my business coach about what are you thinking at only charging that? But I want to get this into people's hands. And yes, I will be slowly raising the price 50%, then another double, and then whatever, until it gets to where it should be. So this is work that should be $10,000. I've been told that just for the one day, no less this whole year That's like a mastermind of support and coaching and training and community, right? And there's more you can learn about it if you want. And the very first entry point for that, for all of that, the 1 day and the year long, is $1,000. And if you want more one-to-one, then it's 3. And that covers the entire year and the 1 day. Yes, ridiculous, ridiculous, but important, because this is your time to wow. This is your year to wow. This is the year you have got to unleash what you're here to do and be at its next level and ride the waves of everything that's changing right there in the world. So I want you to, if you know this speaks to you, go for it. DM me and then I'll send you information how to look up what that is and get you on board, or we can have a conversation, explore what's right for you. Love that. I also do a select few that I do one-to-one consulting, and we've just had results off the charts with people. So that's available to you. But I want you to have an experience of it first. And that's this Tuesday. And that's at Wow Your Way. Yes, wowyourway.com is where you go. Just enter your deets, and then you'll get sent the details on how you get access, and then get reminders and get the replay and all of that. But when you experience this, when you get to witness the transformations or it for yourself, it literally, those are 2 hours. It's not a sales pitch. It's not a webinar. It's not some presentation. It is experience. It's process-based. You're going to experience your own transformation in just those 2 hours, all right? Then as you experience that, you can realize, okay, I'm in, let's go. And let's have the support, the container to put this into action for over the year. So I want you to be able to experience that. That is at wowyourway.com. That's the 2-hour free training this Tuesday. And then go ahead and DM me if you want the information, because if this speaks to you, if you're serious about what you're taking on, even if you're doing other things, this gets to play along, especially at such an affordable price point for entry. So I just wanted to make sure you knew about it, because those that do know about it are like, okay, we have got to work together. But I just want you to have your own experience of it. So join us Tuesday, spread the word, wow your way. It's free. It's truly an experience. It's transformation. It'll change the game of how you think about speaking and you as an expert. And we'll cover a little bit too about all that you're needing to know as an expert path, but really this is the focus on unleashing that full power of you, and then giving you a container of support should you wish to take next steps. But this is not about sales. I think I've said that a million times, but this is this is about you getting that experience and then making the choice for yourself. No harm, no foul. Just experience it and then see what's there for you. Okay? So spread the word, share this video, come join us, and regardless, do whatever it takes to really master putting yourself out there without the stuff in the way and taking the actions that will elevate your presence, your business, your mission, your message, your story, your project, whatever that is. We're here for you. And this is your year to wow. Look forward to it. Bye.